How to lock a folder in Windows 11. Hello Windows 11 users, wanna keep your sensitive files and documents private from prying eyes. In this tutorial I'll show you how to lock a folder in Windows using built-in features. Let's get started. Right-click on your desktop or any desired location, hover over New and select Folder to create a new folder. Give your new folder a name that reflects its content or purpose. Move or copy the files and documents you want to lock into the newly created folder. Right-click on the folder you want to lock and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the General tab and click on the Advanced button under Attributes. Check the box next to Encrypt Contents to secure data and click OK. You'll be prompted to confirm the encryption process. Choose Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders, and files, and click OK. Windows will encrypt the contents of the folder, and this will take time depending on the size of the files. Once the encryption process is complete, you'll notice that the folder icon has changed, indicating that it's now encrypted. And there you have it. By encrypting the folder, you've effectively locked it and secured its contents from unauthorized access in Windows. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Hit the like button and share the video with your friends. See you in the next one.